Welcome back to Tech with Adalimsi, everyone. For those of you who are new, my channel is about tech, cars, and anything else I do for fun. In today's video, I will be reviewing and completing the first time setup for the Bambu P1S 3D printer along with the AMS multi-spool system. Alright, let's open the packaging and remove the contents. As you guys can see, the packaging is done really well. Everything is professionally put together so that nothing can get damaged during shipping. Remove the 3D printer by pulling it out of the box. Start by opening the top and remove the contents. Then remove the front panel and remove the first two screws highlighted by the red tape. They hold the AMS multi-spool system down for shipping. Remove the AMS system once you remove the screws. Now there is 5 screws to open as highlighted by the red tape. Undo those and remove the shipping support bracket. Next, remove the build plate and pull out the white foam from underneath the build surface. Then remove the packaging off the nozzle and put the build plate back on. Now remove the packaging from the AMS system. Connect the tubes and wiring of the AMS system to the 3D printer as I show here. Next, install the spare spool holder with the 2 provided screws. I forgot to remove the 3 screws from an earlier step, so I'm just doing that now. Next, install the LCD screen by connecting the wire harness and pushing it into the tabs. Be sure to not pinch the wire between the screen and 3D printer surface. Now it's time to set up the 3D printer for the first time. After you turn it on, follow the on-screen instructions and select your region and connect to the Wi-Fi. Then run the self-test. I connected the spool to the AMS system, which is as easy as pushing the notch and sliding the spool in. The system will do the rest. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to update the firmware. I'm going to print a Benchy without doing anything at all here. This printer is basically set up right out of the box. Just put it together and that's it. Now I'll show you guys how to set up the software on the computer. Download the latest version from their website and install it. After you launch it, select your region and 3D printer. It'll automatically select the settings and just choose the basic setup. I didn't change anything. Then make an account and log in. Choose any online model and it'll automatically set up the print for your printer. Again, very simple and easy to use right out of the box. I 100% recommend this printer for anyone. Beginner or not, this just does the job every single time. I have been using this for over 6 months now and it's given me absolutely no issues at all. Basic maintenance with very clear instructions and great service. That's the end of this video everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest content.